Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Wallet not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So there's a few different things we need to consider. So the first thing we need to consider is check our basic requirements. So on your mobile device, NFC must be enabled. So to do this, click into your settings, and then from here, click onto connected devices at the top of the page. And now from here, look for connection preferences or NFC. If you can't find it, just do a search. So as you can see on my device here, I don't have it, but we can go back here. That's okay. And then just type in NFC. And then here it is here. So NFC and contactless payments. So that is enabled. If it's disabled, go ahead and make sure that's enabled. And now if you're using a default payment app, go to settings, click on the apps, default apps, tap and pay, and ensure Google Wallet is selected. Then from here, we want to go ahead and restart our mobile device. So sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches and gets Google Wallet working again. Now also want to go ahead and make sure that Google Wallet app is updated. So to do this, just click and hold down the app, click in the eye, or go to your app store, Play Store. So if we scroll down here, click app details in store, and if it says update, go ahead and hit update, as you can see on mine. Also, while that's updating, check your internet connection. So Google Wallet may need internet access to update payment methods or sync data. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And if airplane mode is on or off, just go ahead and turn it on and off, and then back on, just toggle that. But obviously make sure it is back to off. Another thing we can try to fix is clear the app cache. So click and hold down Google Wallet, click on the eye to get more info, scroll down, click on the storage, and go ahead and clear cache, just like that. Now, if we need any software updates on your mobile device, that could be causing this issue. So go back to settings. So go back to the home page of settings. Now look for any software updates on your mobile phone. So if I scroll down, click on software update, you can see I need to download and install these software updates. So I'm going to click onto that and click on restart. And now if all else fails, go ahead and contact support. So visit the Google Wallet help, just do a Google search for that, and then click on help and feedback option to contact the support team.